Got the bags.
Oh yeah. We're camping out tonight. Look at that grass. Is that even grass?
This is grass. To me, it's beautiful. Look at it. It's so lush. Jordan and I have ditched the kids at my mom's and we are camping out. We got some snacks and some adult beverages. So we're gonna camp out and then we're gonna get up early and floor our bedroom. Doritos! I love Doritos. When I was pregnant with Heath, I'd eat like a whole bag of Doritos and I'd watch Pregnant in 16, I think it was called, and I'd just cry and eat Doritos.
Just cry.
It was awesome. That's where we're staying tonight, you guys. We're right there. Look at the lights are on. It looks all homey, cozy. It's because it is. We're gonna watch the sunset together. We've just discovered our lights might be too bright. See, but that's nice. And it's cool. It's like you're in a spaceship.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, that's really what it's for. Don't you think at night when we're watching a movie as a family?
So epic.
Oh goodness. It's 9:15. We're gonna wake up at like 7, so kind of getting a late start.
We are going to go get coffee and then start the flooring. We were not expecting the rain and we have a leather couch back there, so.
Should be fun. Just a spritz.
How's yours?
It's really good actually. What about you?
Mine's really good too. Jordan's inside prepping for the flooring while I'm just kind of organizing and cleaning up, so. Maybe I'm stalling, maybe I just like to organize. I don't know. Okay, it's all organized. Looks so nice. Okay, I better go. I was organizing the camper and cleaning up in there using the bed. You're just prepping the floor.
Yeah, it's getting the dried glue. The chunky dried glue off so
Yeah.
we can make our connection here. Okay, we're having a little bit of issues getting it all plumb and straight, but we're gonna figure it out. In the meantime, let me tell you a story. I just talked to June. Her and Grandma went to church this morning and they killed a spider along the way. Grandma's telling me about the spider they killed, whatever. And June says, Mom, Grandma fell down the stairs. Grandma likes to fall down and then hide it from everyone. She was walking out of church, she said about the 3rd step outside to the side of the church where she goes, she missed the step and fell forward and then crawled around the corner so no one could see her. So there's Jordy up there. So of course my kids had to rat her out because they all do, and it's hilarious. But Grandma, be safe. We love you. We don't want you to get a broken hip. Okay, back to work. I thought you said 28 and a half. Do you want me to go measure again?
Yeah. Make it snappy.
Okay.
Run.
I am. Got all stressed out and dropped it in the glue. Yes, I did. It's 25 and a half.
I wonder why I'm running my saw like that.
Why?
And why the wood looks burnt, I guess.
Why?
It's because we were cutting that
The plastic.
the vinyl last week, and
Yeah.
my blade is super dull now.
Ooh, need a new blade. Rule number 1, Sanchez. I got glue in my hair and I cannot afford to lose any more.
You're not gonna lose it, you just need to.
It's just this like little, ow! Ow, little baby hairs, but still I need all the hairs.
For sure. Oh, we're getting old. I don't want to lose any more hair. Taking your hair dye right out.
Is it? I bet it is. Is it for real? What? What is that? I don't know what I'm
Hey,
seeing.
look, it's turning them all gray.
For real? I need to dye my hair again anyways.
Oh, bugger. As you can see, I'm not quite even halfway.
Jordan is cleaning up the glue off of the floor, and I went and got the food. Just a plethora of random things. There's only one chair up here. We'll just sit on the steps.
You can have a chair. There's also a chair underneath the cedar outside under the carport.
That's fine. Let's just sit on the steps.
Where are you at?
He's doing this circle. We have the best neighbor. He is so sweet. Thank you, Joe. You're the best neighbor anyone could ever ask for. He just came over on his riding lawnmower, like our knight in shining armor. And he's gonna mow, Jordan's gonna weed whack, and I'm going to leaf blow. And then we're gonna head home and pick up our babies.
Yeah, whatever. Got some stuff done.
We did.
Okay. Oh, nice. You cleaned up in here?
Cleaned it all up. Looks so nice. Got our bags all packed.
Sweet.
Bed's all made. Yeah.
You rule.
Thank you. Thank you so much for saying that.